Introduce highlight features or overview summary of TURRIDU 3-burner, barbecue gas grill, propane grill with side shelves and wheels. That's include high-quality barbecue gas grill. Our barbecue gas grill is made from durable stainless steel, ensuring its longevity and performance. The stainless steel cooking grate provides excellent heat retention and distribution, allowing you to achieve perfect grilling results every time. Powerful propane grill. With 3 stainless steel burners, our camping grill can output an impressive 25,650 BTU per hour of heat. The integrated piezoelectric ignition system ensures a quick and easy startup with just the push and turn of a control knob. Easy to use. The entire stainless steel control panel, along with the chromium plating control knob, adds both sturdiness and elegance to our barbecue grill. The built-in stainless steel thermometer on the cover lid allows for precise temperature control, while the 2 tables and 2-wheel casters provide ample storage and easy mobility. Spacious cooking area. Our barbecue grill offers a generous cooking area of 49 x 33 cm, providing enough space to cook delicious meals for your family and partner. Additionally, the warming area of 49 x 10 cm ensures that your food stays hot and ready to serve. Versatile outdoor cooking solution. Whether it's in your backyard, garden, courtyard, terrace, or balcony, our gas grill will be the perfect addition to any outdoor space. It offers a versatile and reliable all-season solution for all your outdoor cooking needs. So why wait? Start grilling like a pro with our grill's outdoor cooking propane. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.